Hello everyone, in this video we will look at language you can use to talk about places. Places like your home, the neighborhood, the high street, a shopping center or a mall, or your college or school where you might be doing an exam where you have to talk about places. This video is suitable for beginners, elementary or entry 1 level learners. Use there is a or there are to talk about places. We use there is a or there is an with singular nouns. We use there are with plural nouns. Let's talk about this house. There is a loft. There is a living room. There is a kitchen. There is a basement. There are 2 bedrooms. There is a bathroom. There are 5 boxes in the loft. There are some pictures above the fireplace. You can use it is or it is not to describe a place. Look at the picture of this neighborhood. It is nice. It is clean. Let's look at another picture. It is not clean. It is dirty. It is not safe. You can use I like and I don't like to talk about places. For example, I like the shopping center near my house. It is very big. It is fun. I don't like my local park. It is small. It is dirty. I don't like going there. You can use the same language to ask questions. Just swap the words around. Rather than saying there is a, say is there a to ask a question. Or is there an? And answer with yes there is or no there isn't. Is there a park in your neighborhood? Yes, there is. Is there a supermarket? Yes, there is. Is there a post office? No, there isn't. You can also ask about plural nouns, about many places. Again, just change the words. Rather than saying there are, ask questions with are there. Just add any to that. So are there any? Answer the question with yes, there are, or no, there aren't. Are there any supermarkets in your neighborhood? Yes, there are. Are there any banks? No, there aren't. Are there any fast food takeaways? Yes, there are. Oh, great. I love fast food takeaways. I love fried chicken. There are any fried chicken takeaways? Ask properly using the correct question form. Are there any fried chicken takeaways? Correct. No, there aren't. You can also ask questions using is it. For example, is it nice? Is it big? Is it small? And you answer by saying yes, it is and no, it isn't. Is your flat new? Yes, it is. Is it big? No, it isn't. Is it clean? Yes, it is clean. Of course it is clean. I clean it every day. Oh, sorry, it's just a question. And finally, you can ask questions using do you like? For example, do you like the new mall? Do you like your local library? And you answer by saying yes, I do, or no, I don't. You can also say, it's okay. Do you like your local park? Yes, I do. Do you like your local supermarket? No, I don't. I like Tesco's. Do you like your college? Yes, I do. I like my college a lot. Do you like your high street? It's okay. Do you like your flat? Yes, I do. Why do you keep asking about my flat? It's just a question. Okay, I won't ask you about your flat anymore. Why don't you describe your neighborhood? Describe your house. Describe your park. What about your high street? Describe your local shopping center. If you want more videos like these, don't forget to smash that like button, share and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.